I think this is a thing that the Hindus like nailed from a long time ago. I just want to start with time. I think this would actually be a helpful way to contextualize what we're talking about, because the way that Hindus look at time is very different than how Abrahamic religions look at time. So this is a guy, by the way, I just want to point out, when listening to a lot of these gurus, I've listened to very many of them. I've researched them. I have a ton of respect for them. This guy happens to have what's known as an Indian accent. Okay. And just out of respect for him and his religion, his faith, I would like you to not smile or laugh.
You're going to get your mind blown in 90 seconds by understanding how Hinduism views and measures time. Here's the key. Firstly, instead of taking seconds, we have gone even more microscopic, and our smallest units of time are called Paramanu or Truti. Our day in our lives is called a Tithi, and 15 Tithis make a Paksha, because such Pakshas make masas, which are month, which eventually make a Varsha, a year. 4,32,000 such years are called a Kali Yuga, which is where we're right now, and there are 3 more yugas which are much longer multiples of this Kali Yuga, called as the Dwapara Yuga, the Treta Yuga, and the Satya Yuga. These 4 yugas together make a Mahayuga or a Chatra Yuga, and 71 such Mahayugas make a Manvantara ruled by one guy named as Manu, who's the first being of that particular phase in time. 14 Manvantaras make one day in the life of a Brahma, who's the architect of a universe, and one Brahma lives for 100 Brahma years, which is inconceivable for us. Interestingly, the life of one Brahma is contained in the breath of a Mahavishnu, who when he inhales and exhales creates and destroys thousands of multiverses. And this lifespan of a mega universe is 311,040 trillion human years. Basically, we figured out that time is cyclical long before anybody else, and this time dimension is something we call Shiv. So
that shit makes so much more sense to me than so many other religions.
Crazy, right?
Like,